Hello everyone. Today we are going to start another interesting lecture series Pakistan Affairs for CSS, PMS, other competitive exams and general knowledge. Our syllabus starts with the reformers. Reformers are those personalities of 18th century when Muslim rule and society in subcontinent were declining, and these personalities tries to prolong and restore this rule. There are two most influential personalities, Shah Waliullah and Ahmad Shah Barelvi among them. In their times, Mughal were overthrown from Delhi throne by Marathas. For today, our topic of discussion is Shah Waliullah Muhaddas Dehlvi. So let's start. Shah Waliullah was born in 1703. He belonged to a family of religious preachers and scholars. His father Shah Abdul Rahim was a reputable religious scholar and established Madrasa-e-Rahimiyya in Delhi. Shah Waliullah received his early education from the same college. After graduating, he started to teaching over there. In 1730, when he went to Saudi Arabia for further studies in theology, then there he spent more than a year. During his stay there, he met Sheikh Abu Tahir bin Ibrahim and Sheikh Muhammad bin Wahab, for his had great regard. He returned to the subcontinent with a vivid aim in his mind to serve Muslim and of subcontinent and Islam. In 1707, the last Mughal emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir died, and the history of subcontinent took a new turn, and power and social status of Muslim in subcontinent started to decline. Shah Waliullah experienced this decline as he grew up and was worried about it. Throughout his life, he wanted to revive Islam and status of Muslim in subcontinent. He tried to solve the problem faced by the Muslim systematically. Weaknesses of Muslim reasons. What were the reasons behind these Muslim this decline, which were identified by Shah Waliullah Muhaddas Dehlvi? Muslims were not following Islam according to its true teaching because they didn't understand it properly. Muslims were divided among themselves on the basis of different sects. Muslims were indulged themselves in luxurious life. Muslims were losing status and rule in subcontinent because of loss of political power. His effort. Message. The first message Shah Waliullah expressed among the Muslims were religious unity. He said that one of the major causes behind this decline of Muslims in subcontinent is the disintegration and disunity among them. He further stated that Shias are not kafir and are Muslim. He said that this division between them has weakened Muslim. That's why other nations like Marathas are becoming stronger and overtaking Muslim. Is his efforts and services. The first one is translation of Holy Quran. Shah Waliullah believed that Holy Quran was not understandable to all readers because of the language barrier, as Quran is in Arabic and Muslims don't understand the Arabic. That's why he translated the Quran into Persian. Persian was understood and spoken by many Muslims at that time. He believed that if Muslims can understand the message of Quran, then it would be easy for them to act upon it. Books. Shah Waliullah wrote many books throughout his life on religion. The main purpose behind all these books was to make the teaching of Islam understandable to the most of Muslims. His two most famous books are Azhatul Atqaf and Hujjatul Baligha. Hujjatul Baligha was explanation of Quran, and Izhatul Ikhlas was written on the principles of Quran and Islam. His efforts, political efforts. Although he was a religious scholar, but he didn't stop there. He wanted to remove the Marathas from the throne of Delhi to overpower Maratha. He requested Ahmad Shah Abdali, the king of Persia, to invade India, defeat Marathas and restore Muslim rule in India. Ahmad Shah invaded India, defeated Marathas and restored Muslim rule in Asia. Ahmad Shah Abdali came in 1761 and defeated Marathas in the famous battle of Panipat near Delhi. This battle is known as Third Battle of Panipat. Ahmad Shah Abdali although removed Marathas but did not stay in India, so once again Delhi went under the weak administration of Mughals. Social principle. He propagated the principles of Adal and Tawazun. Adal means justice and Tawazun means equilibrium. He persuaded Muslims to practice these principles in their life, live to make their life better. He believed that these two principles are backbone of any economy, and through these Muslims can make their economic condition better, means abandon the luxurious life and live simply. Importance. Shah Waliullah was one of the most important religious reformers of subcontinent. There are other reformers as well. However, Shah Waliullah is the most prominent among them. He not only tried to bring Muslims closer to their religion but also had a complete chalked our plan for the restoration of Muslim power in India. Another distinction he has is that he propagated ideas which were long lasting and applicable at any time. For example, unity of Muslim and proper understanding of Islam by them. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we will discuss Shah Ahmad Barelvi. Allah Hafiz.